We are going to put water in this lunchbox if it's true that it is totally leak-proof. And for today's video, we are going to show you this bento box that we received. It is a lunchbox that anyone can use, adults or kids, especially that we are now back to school. They said that this lunchbox has a capacity of 1150 ml, durability of 5 years, as it is written here. This one has 3 compartment design, and it also included 1 fork. It is BPA free, keep original taste and flavor, microwave, dishwasher and freezer safe, totally leak proof from inside and out. So we are going to try if what they said here is true, that it is totally leak proof. I have here a glass of water. We are going to try this. If it won't leak, we'll put water in each compartment. And now that we have water, we are going to cover it. And try it if it won't leak. Now we are going to turn our lunchbox sideways. As of now, I don't see any water leaking in our box. And also in a different side. So it's true that this lunchbox is totally leak proof because I see it myself. It don't leak at all. This is a good lunchbox to use for kids to go to school and for anyone going to work. Thank you.